Okay, I'm about to be late for work. I gotta go. Good morning, good people. It is me, Keri. I am here, KeriKontours. I'm here about to do a very quick makeup look. It is my no makeup summer makeup. It's too hot to be out here with a full face on makeup look. Okay? Very simple, extremely short. So these are the things that you need. So you need a concealer that is your skin tone color, that is as close to your skin tone as possible. And then you need either a colored face powder that matches your face exactly, or I use the translucent yellow flower powder from Beauty Bakery. You'll need whatever blush you're gonna use. You're gonna need whatever eyebrow product that you normally use. I might do a little bit of bronzing, but not going crazy with it, because like I said, it's hot, it's summertime. Who has the time? Who has the patience? Like, who really wants to be out here wiping makeup off your face because you sweat? Like, and I'm not gonna do a full beat just because I just don't like to do full beats in the summertime. If I'm gonna be outside, it's a cookout. I ain't doing it. So anyway, products that I'm going to be using today are going to be the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD high definition concealer, and this is in the color chestnut. You can get this at any beauty supply, Sally's Beauty, wherever. But the chestnut color is the color that is closest to my normal skin tone, as you see. So just gonna go ahead and start because I am on my way to work and it is like 7 o'clock in the morning. So my main areas are under my eyes, these little spots that I have on my chin, which are old acne scars, which, you know, not so old, they're probably from like last month. And yeah, just gonna go ahead and get to it. And my face is already clean and primed and all that stuff. I didn't actually use any primer. I have on some my normal face routine, which I will do a video of. I keep saying I'm gonna do a video, I haven't done it yet, but I've changed it a couple times, trying to get to the point of having great skin with no makeup, and I've reached that point now again, because I don't know what I did, but I had some acne, as you saw here, just pop up like it was crazy and ruin my whole skin situation, so I had to come up with something new. So under the eyes where my hyperpigmentation is, and then I go through on my little marks and just cover them up without going too crazy. In my skincare video, I'll discuss how I was able to revert my skin back to being clean and clear. And as you see, I'm not using a lot of this. Like, there's really not that much in here, actually, just because I used it so often. And just anywhere I see a little spot, I'm just gonna cover it. So I'm about to grab a Beauty Bakery blending egg. These cute little eggs. I have the black ones from Black History Month. Well, that's when they first let them out. I'm gonna take this damp blending sponge and just blend the little bit of concealer out. Making sure that we're not removing all of the product, just pushing it into the skin to cover. Any problem areas. And here I have like small little pimples that are forming. Y'all, I don't know if y'all can see them, but that's what I'm trying to cover right there, if it doesn't look like anything on camera. Okay, going a little over the lid just to even that out. And then following up to where I had a little bit of product on my forehead and down where it was on my bridge. And that's it, guys. That's all that I do. Boom, I'm done with any skin product like that. So now I'm gonna take a little bit of the Beauty Bakery yellow flour powder. Take a little bit, dab it off on my hand. And I'm not necessarily baking, I'm just applying just to lightly set this. Just a little bit off on the hair. Because we know it's hot, right? So you're gonna sweat. I don't wanna be greasy, but I also don't wanna be like dry. So just gonna apply it in these spots where I had the concealer and just basically just setting it on my face. Because once again, the goal is not a full beat, child. I'm not trying to do no full beat. I'm just trying to do enough to where skin looks great. Looks like my skin, but better without any CC cream. The Saharan Blush Palette. I'm gonna start with the, we're gonna take a little bit of Abby here and use it as sort of a contour for today. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of Zane for blush. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of Lila and Zara, mix them together and make them my highlight. Not gonna go crazy with the highlight because, like I said, I'm going to work. So I don't need to be that jazzy at all. Okay. All right, that's that. I'm not going any deeper than that. Okay. Done. Just a little tappy tap here with my fan brush. And very minimum highlight. Oh, no, we're not even gonna do brows today. We're gonna do a boy brow. Like, I mean, I need to get my brows done, so let's just keep it real gangster out here and give ourselves a nice little boy brow for the day. It's been a while since I've been in the office, so it would be nice to be on time, you know? Okay, we got a boy brow on. I'm gonna do a little bit with the eye, not too much. I'm gonna give it a little brown. We'll go in with the same Abby that I put on my, gotta be careful though. I don't want it to be too serious. I'm just gonna blend that on real quick. Boom. And take a flat brush from the Black Radiance True Complexion palette, contour palette. I'm gonna take the Sculpt color and make that my lid color for today. And we're gonna give it a slight line with the Tarte Sex Kitten eyeliner. And then we're gonna take the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara. Okay, and then finally, I'm gonna throw a little bit of Fenty Gloss Bomb on in Fenty Glow. And voila, ta-da! This is my face. It's my face for today. So, yeah, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, rate, and comment. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at KeriKontours, KeriKontours. I really don't post on Twitter like that, but you can follow me there too. I mean, you'll see my posts early, or you'll see my pictures and videos of looks early, because I always throw them up there first. But yeah, so this is my full summer. It's too hot to have on a full face of makeup, but I'm still trying to be cute with a little bit of makeup on. Look. So I hope you guys have a great day. I'm about to go have one. So see you guys later. Okay, I'm about to be late for work. I gotta go.